Getting her into the shop is the first hurdle.
The heart is silent. This engine hasn't turned over in decades.
Washing away the years, it feels like exfoliating a layer of skin.
Clearing out the rot, we have to strip it down to the bone.
Safe in the garage. The long road to recovery starts tonight.
A rat's nest of wires. We're gonna have to rewire the entire nervous system. The heart is out. Now we can see the empty chest cavity.
Hidden damage. The rust was hiding behind the bumper all along. Stripping off the layers. She looks fragile now, exposed. Pulling the wires. It's like performing surgery on a tangled vein. Organized chaos. Every bolt has a home, or it gets replaced.
Decades of grease melting away. We're getting down to the truth. Subframe out, she's floating on stands now, weightless. Just a skeleton now, but the bones are good. We can work with this.
We have to cut out the cancer. It's the only way to save her.
Fabricating new skin. It has to match the original curves perfectly. Fusing the new metal to the old. The graft is taking hold. Blasting away the past. The corruption of rust is gone. Chemical warfare on rust, stopping it dead in its tracks.
New floors. Solid ground to stand on again.
Reshaping the metal. Listen to the rhythm of the hammer. Sealing the wound. The bare metal is safe now. The rocker panels define the line. She's looking straight again.
Checking the gaps.
Precision is everything in this game. Strengthening the pillars. She needs to be safe. Complex shapes require patience. Bending steel to my will. Smoothing the arches. The flow is returning.
Sealing the seams. Keeping the elements out forever.
The metal work is done. She's scarred, but she's whole again. Smoothing the transition. The filler bridges the gap. Hours of sanding. My arms ache, but the result is worth it. The guide coat doesn't lie. It shows me every low spot. Wet sanding. We're chasing a reflection now.
Surgically clean. One fingerprint could ruin everything.
The primer lays down smooth. The patchwork is gone.
The final wipe, the surface is ready to accept the color.
Chasing shadows, Every line must be true.
Mixing the sole, this color will define her.
The color touches the metal. She's waking up.
Stroke by stroke, she's regaining her identity.
Letting it flash. The chemicals are bonding. Look at that depth. You could dive into this paint.
The smell of victory. The painting is done.
Polishing to a mirror finish. She is glowing.
Putting the nerves back in. The wiring is clean and routed perfectly.
Quiet and comfortable. No more road noise.
The heart goes back in. The engine bay looks factory fresh.
Connected again, power can flow to the wheels. She stands on her own feet now. Suspension is tight.
Seats in. A clean place to sit and drive.
Sealing her up. The glass is crystal clear.
Fluids going in.
We're getting close to the first breath. Pressure in the lines. The system is sealed. Power on. The electrical system wakes up without a glitch. Every clip snaps in satisfyingly. No rattles.
Details matter. Even the wipers are new.
She's done. Standing there waiting for the key.
She's purring. A steady, strong heartbeat.
Into the light. She hasn't seen the sun like this in decades. Look at her go. A moving work of art.